Manipur police has arrested 8 members of Mumbai-led Unlf along with sophisticated weapons. According to police, they were allegedly involved in illegal activities and in restraining legal land demarcation process at Thobal district. The arrested persons are Laishram Atangba alias Ningthaujau, age 24, Laishangthim Nongpuk Maitei alias Singhajit, age 26, Thongam Khangakpa Maitei alias Jatra, aged 45, Thiam Ningtho Maitei alias Ingocha, age 46, Akoijam Thaupangba Maitei alias Thoiba, age 24, Thongnaujam Suknung Ngakpa alias Yaifaba Maitei, age 26, Ngasipam Nungthoba Maitei alias Romeo, aged 40, and Sorokaibam Nganba alias Dayananda, age 27. Police also seized 3 AK-47 rifles, 2 AK-56 rifles, 1 M16 rifle, 1 9mm pistol, 147 live-round ammunitions of AK-47, 20 live-round ammunitions of M16, 25 live-round ammunitions of 9mm, 16 mobile handsets, and 1 Fortuner SUV without registration. In another incident, Manipur police has also arrested a member of proscribed PLA from Kashamthong Top Lairak, Imphal West. The arrested person is Moirangthim Maniton, age 29, and he was reportedly engaged in extortion activities from shops in Imphal areas.